Present perfect in English is used as a bridge between the past and the present. It is a continuum used to express memories, experiences, actions, or situations drawn between the two timelines. Grammatical structure exists in several other languages too, and therefore it needs a little bit of attention to master in English. It is constructed by adding have or has to the past participle, or PP of English verbs. As you probably already know, PP in English could be an irregular or a regular structure. Worked, gone, traveled, eaten, listened, brought. Here are some examples to elucidate the usage of this important tense in English. She has lived in Rio since she was 7 years old. We have been to 8 countries in Africa in the past 12 years. The Craigs have worked for Freshco for 26 years. I've tried almost every cuisine in Asia. The food in Asia is fascinating and quaint. Have you ever used any of our online services? You have never eaten natto in your life, have you? Donna and Jillian have always loved cooking. That explains why they're opening their own restaurant downtown. Listen to this conversation. I heard you've lived in Argentina. Where did you live? In Buenos Aires. I taught art in a local college. How long have you been back? I returned to Canada in 2016. How about yourself? Have you ever lived abroad? I've lived in France and Switzerland. As a matter of fact, I'm going back to Europe after this whole COVID-19 situation blows over. That's great. By the way, have you had lunch yet? No. Yourself? No, I'm starving. Want to grab a bite? Let's do it. I'm on a 2-hour break. Great, I know a great salad bar not far from here. Lead the way. Today's idiom is drop the ball. Drop the ball means to make a mistake or to fail to do something very important. Listen to this example. I was about to buy that car when the sales rep dropped the ball. He accidentally told me about the massive recent recalls. Thank you very much for watching this lesson. If you find it useful, please share it with your friends or anyone who's interested in learning English. Subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get notified about my future uploads. Leave your comments and questions in the comment section below. I will try to integrate your comments and questions in my future lessons to make them better. Have a great day. Stay healthy and shine.